Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Apache Kafka tools for streaming analytics projects. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Apache Kafka tools for streaming analytics projects, first, navigate to the official Apache Kafka website at kafka.apache.org. On the homepage, look for the download link located in the top navigation bar. Click on the download link to access the latest version of Kafka. You will see a list of available downloads. Select the binary package that corresponds to your operating system, typically in a .tgz or .zip format. Click on the download link to initiate the download process. The file may take a few moments to download, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your system's Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the compressed file using a file extraction tool like WinRAR or 7-zip. After extraction, navigate to the folder where Kafka has been installed. Inside the folder, you will find multiple directories and files, including bin, config, and libs. Before running Kafka, ensure you have Java installed, as it is required to run the application. If Java is not installed, download the Java Development Kit, JDK, from the official Oracle website or adopt OpenJDK from its official site. Install Java following the provided instructions for your operating system. Once Java is installed, return to the Kafka directory. Open a command prompt or terminal window in the Kafka folder. You may need to set environment variables for easy access to Kafka commands. To start Kafka, first, you need to run the Zookeeper service. In the command prompt, type bin/zookeeper-server-start.sh config/zookeeper.properties for Linux or bin/windows/zookeeper-server-start.bat config/zookeeper.properties for Windows. Leave this terminal open and open a new command prompt or terminal for the next step. Now, to start the Kafka server, type bin/kafka-server-start.sh config/server.properties for Linux or bin/windows/. At this point, Kafka will be up and running, ready for your streaming analytics projects. You can verify the installation by creating a test topic and producing some messages. For further exploration, check the Kafka documentation for additional tools and features available for your analytics projects. You are now ready to leverage Apache Kafka for your streaming analytics needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.